Welcome to the new part of Tech Next Decade in 90 seconds. Today we're diving into the future of smartphones. So, what comes after smartphones? For over a decade, smartphones have ruled our lives. They are cameras, computers, chats, and wallets in one device. But even the most advanced phone has limits. The real question is what replaces it. Smartphones are flat screens we hold in our hands. They take us out of the world instead of blending with it. Batteries still run out too fast. Screens are fragile and distracting, and typing on glass isn't the future. The next big thing will not be in your pocket. It will live on your face, in your clothes, or even in your body. Smart glasses are already here. They project holograms directly into your eyes. Imagine searching the web without a screen or taking photos with just a blink. Apple, Meta, and Google are racing to make this real. But glasses are just the start. Contact lenses with built-in displays are being tested. You could watch videos inside your eye, translate languages instantly while talking, even monitor your health in real time. No screens, no typing, no distractions, just seamless connection everywhere. And after lenses, the tech gets even wilder. Brain-computer interfaces are being developed now. Imagine controlling devices with only your thoughts, sending a message without typing a word, or playing a game where you feel everything directly. This is the path beyond smartphones. From screens in your hand, to screens in your eyes, to screens in your mind. The future won't be flat glass rectangles. The next big thing after smartphones is merging technology with us.